Hey guys, let's do some Advent of Code. We've got a little bit of time. I'm a little behind with. Oh, I gotta close this down. Okay, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 2, 1. How many steps required to reach ZZZ? Um. Crap. I don't know what this LRR is. You have to use left right instructions to navigate the network. If you have a camel follow the same instructions, you can escape the 100. As for a bit, to seek out AA and ZZZ. AA is where you are right now. You have to follow the left right instructions until you reach ZZZ. It's format individually. Okay. I'm gonna do row column 1, column minus 2, 1, column minus 1, 1 equals len 283. Okay, I'm gonna do equals I'm gonna do equals mid this 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is AAA. Then equals it's row 4, column 2, 2. Row 753, column 4. Column index number. If this equals L1, 2. Exact match. Oh, actually, it should be 2, 3. I read the whole sequence of instructions necessary. RL really means this, and so on. Here's the situation. It takes 6 steps. Okay. We're going to take this, and we're going to shift it over a couple things. And this is now going to be column minus 6. And we're going to take all this, make it this long, and now okay, and then all the way down here, we repeat the exact same thing. Except it's row minus 1, column 289. Check that's correct. TSS. RVQ is right. Was it right on this? It was right. Okay, and now I think I can just take this. Nowhere still, not yet. That's the first one. So it's after. So this is what? It takes one step, so it goes left, left, right, left, left, right. So it's 6 total steps. So if that's the first one, that's what? 64. No, we got 61, 260, 283. Okay. So what is the map for people? What is for ghost? Ghost even bound by laws of space. What is that? Do you have any of the map the fact number of nodes with names ending in A equals the number of Z. If you were a ghost, you probably just start at every node that ends with A. Follow all the paths at the same time until they all simultaneously end up with nodes that end with Z. Oh fuck. Here there are 2 starting nodes, 1A and 2A. They both end with A. As you follow each left-right instruction, use that instruction to simultaneously navigate away from both nodes you're currently on. Repeat this process until all the nodes you're currently with end on Z. Simultaneously on every node that ends with A. How many steps does it take before you're only on nodes that end with Z? Okay. This is gonna be tricky. It's totally possible. But I have to do 61 full total loops until I got there. First of all, let's find every node that starts with A. Sort A to Z. Oh, that ends with A. Crap. Okay. Let's take another sheet just for interesting simplicity. We will take custom sort. Sort by column 2 from A to Z. Okay. There's not a ton of them, actually. Okay. Paste. 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 How many were there? Only 6. Paste. Paste. GCA, CMA. So let's just do it like this. Now, okay, now we take all this. I grab that, and we drag deep. Okay, let's see what happens. This is the first one where I'm doing possibly millions of iterations. Once I've done all of this, I'm pretty sure that it's guaranteed that they're going to end up on some loop. And from there, I can figure out how long those loops are. First of all, save. Zero. Okay. So now there's a ZZZ. There's a ZZZ. So that's the maximum size loop we're looking at here. So does this ever reach ZZZ? Okay, so we're gonna do Okay, and then I'm going to repeat again, except I'm going to do again. So 79. So let's check if this is correct. Is there 79? So those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what's 79 before this? 50 is... So I need one more. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 764. 753. 79. Okay. Okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to find when they have lineups on Zeds. Because if we can find... Oh, and now we can also do a length of the loop when the first loop actually happens, which is... This is start. So we know when we can start iterating. Okay. Neat. I'm just going to do the first one because I have a hypothesis. Actually... Uh-oh. Let me just do this. If equals Z, then that, otherwise nothing. Save. So I don't lose anything here. There's going to be a tricky thing here, because my goal is going to be to fill that up all the way down. They're all Zs. Okay. FCZ, that's it. Okay. I think this is going to work the way that I think it does, but I have to check with certainty. So once I know for a fact that it all loops and there's only one value to check, which is what I think is going to be the case, SMZ. Then I need to write a linear equation and then find where they solve for. TTZ. I just have, this is just covering my bases when it comes to edge cases, though. I really hope that this is the answer, and this is going to be correct, and this is going to give me what I'm looking for, but it very well could be the case there's going to be another case TBZ. Cool. No longer care about any of that. So, now that you've done this, we have to find the first instance of this happening. So, I'm going to have to go the row before. Ooh, I'm going to have to find exactly what... I don't actually have to bother, do I? Whatever, let's just do this. Include if one of the following is true. Actually, no, that's not going to work, is it? Huh. Let's test something. I guess I'm not going to do that. You know what? Fuck it. We're just going to search. How the fuck do I only pull out... That would work, right? So this is this repeated. So if I do if rho RC minus 758 is greater than or equal to row 757, nope, 755 column, then let's do this. NRC, HSC, cool. It's gonna be a bit of time, I know. It's a lot of indirect bullshit. Are you kidding me? You know, I got the first star fairly quickly. That's insane. Okay. I'm gonna paste. No, I'm not gonna paste anything. Fuck it. This is where we're doing it. And now let me see if I'm correct about there only being one. Okay, so now we need to find out where this is in the loop. Let's make sure I'm doing this correctly. Okay, I am. Make sure it's just 44. It is. So it's actually not plus 44, it's plus 65. We first got this loop. So this is 79x plus 83. And then we've got to figure out where all of these line up. There'll be some value that gets them all aligned. Are these all prime numbers? They are. So you need some number. We multiply 61 by it. Minus 21. We get the same. No, we multiply 79. We get 42 by it. Okay. So we've got equals this. I know I could do this differently, but I don't care. I'm trying to get it, solve it. This feels like it's something that I could very well solve. Oops. Is this also 4? And it's also 4. You need to find a number that when you multiply all of these, is that just the answer? Okay, it's not the right answer. Oh shit, no, because I need to multiply that by the number of rows too. Or by the number of columns. Six less than this, 283. That seems like it's more the correct number, but I don't like this. So is the first time it appear is in I'm going to remove 2 from this list here. There's actually 2 on all of these is the offset I need as well. Because that offset is actually incorrect because this is from where it starts from the very, very top when that's not actually the case. So it does that number of loops, and it needs to multiply all that together in order for them to line up and get onto the same cycle, and then you add 2 more cycles. And that's the answer. I feel like this is correct. Nope. Balls. This is definitely very notable. Oh, it's actually partway through the cycle, isn't it? Oh, God. We're gonna do some weird some calculus right now. It's doable. But it's gotta fucking think of it. That's the number of, like, total rows deep the first thing was. And then we have 40. And then we have 11. Then 45. Then 48. And then 23. Sorry, I've got to do the fractions. 9. And then 43. And then 46. And then 21. So then we have 44th here, which means if I'm correct, it should be the 63rd total row. So it'd be row, well, 65, I guess. Am I correct in that assessment? No, it's 64. So we've done 62 total rows, not 63. Because this is double counting, because that's the first row. Okay. This is actually 43. That's 40. That's 45. That's 19. Nope, that's 17. That's 2. That's 53. There we go. And that just gives us the simple offsets of when they first appear. And now we need to increase the multiples this. It's literally one off. It's one more than that. So it's one more than each of these. So it functionally starts in row 1. It's a perfect full cycle. Does ZZZ lead to AAA or something? It's RV something. Oh my god, it does. QDM. TSS. MQ. Okay, so it looks like all of the Z items have some kind of thing that's intentionally meant to make them loop back towards the very beginning, partway through the fucking whatever. Okay, so I need to do, how many loops does this have to do? That many total rows. So every 61 rows, we loop again. Let's make sure this is correct. I'm coming up to 65 something and making sure I'm doing it correctly. 61 is the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. So it perfectly loops every 61. Which means we need this many rows to cycle through all of them. Assuming it starts at the very beginning on the first row. Is it 62nd total row? Is that what it is? It's the first total row, so it's one lower than the total number. So it's 64. Oh, that means that it's actually on the 62nd total row, which means 61 rows have passed. Like a full cycle. That's what happens with a full cycle. Which means this is basically starting from the very beginning. So it's just this number. Fucking hell, really? All of these are prime. What if I made a mistake somewhere that's causing this looping when they shouldn't happen? This is where it should happen this way. But every single one of these is starting. So they all are basically built on starting at ZZZ. That's like their whole gimmick. Oh no, of course it's not right, because I need to take this and multiply by 282. That's the right answer. fuck, isn't that right? Because that's just all of those. It's probably not going to let me put it in. Probably going to say I've got to wait 5 minutes. That's not the right answer either. Let's see if I'm not insane with a different idea then. So if I go back up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. So yeah, it's basically saying all of these are are the Z from the very beginning. So how many? What's the actual question it's asking? So that's how long the loops are. I don't see why this wouldn't be the answer. Maybe I'm having some kind of calculation error with Excel. 61 times 79 times 53 times 59 times 47 times 73, and then times 282, right? 289. 1459902976046. That's the answer that I get. Okay. My friend's got 23 trillion, and mine's 14 trillion. Am I missing one that starts with A, maybe? How about he end with Z? 6. Only 6. So I'm right that there's only this many. Is 73 the size of this? Yes, it is. So all of them basically start on the same as it ends. $283? Wait, what? Oh my god, because it's 6 less. I'm so dumb. If that's actually what my issue is. I swear to fucking god. It is the right answer. I'm so mad. Oh, I got it right. Fuck me. That's a cool problem. That's a really neat problem, and I like how they've structured that. But, there we go. Oh, is that the wrong... It is the wrong one. There we go. I've completed it. I completed my day 8. Woo. Oh, this is definitely fixable. And now that I know how this is built, it's actually surprisingly easy. I just need to not fuck it up. Thank you all for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I mean, it's a win. Let's check out my, my personal times. Okay, you know what? I'll take it. That's not terrible.